In this video, we are going to discuss about linked list representation of stack, and this is also known as dynamic representation, because in array representation of stack we found a disadvantage that the size of the array cannot be, the size of the array or the size of the stack cannot be increased or decreased. It is fixed size. Whereas in linked list there is no limitation for the size of the stack. At runtime the size can be increased or can be decreased. How many ever nodes we need for representing a stack can be used. So this method utilizes memory efficiently. Uses memory efficiently. In linked list data representation, we have nodes. A node is a free space available in the avail list or free storage, or it is also known as free pool. From this avail list we get the or we access the nodes whenever we have to create a new node in the linked list, and the address of this avail list is stored in the node start or head or start node. This node has the address of the first node of the list, and it is not literally taking the node from or memory space from the avail list. It will be available where it is. We do not require contiguous memory location as we required in array. Wherever there is memory available, that is the memory available in the avail list is picked, and the link is given for every node, from each node to the other node, each node to the other node. Now this is the information node, info node, where we save the data items values, and this is the address node, address part, which stores or pointer, it is a pointer which stores the address of the next node, and this next node has same information field and then the address field. Then the next node also has the information field and next node. The address field of the last node in the linked list will have null value. So when the address field is null, it means that is the last node in the linked list. So this about linked list we will be learning in detail in the next video. In this video you are just going to learn how linked list is used for saving a stack or using linked list to represent a stack. So we have only one end in which the insertion also takes place and then the deletion also takes place.